Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the watch and preparing your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and enable location. The app needs both to scan. Open the Joyroom companion app, sign in or skip, then select Add Device. Once the watch displays a pairing code, tap the matching device and app. You're already pairing. This saves repeated steps later, so make sure the watch screen stays active and the phone is near within a few meters. Once paired, confirm why permissions matter. Notifications forward health data syncs and alarms stay accurate. When the code matches, grant the app access to notifications and contacts. This enables call/text alerts. Next, choose health permission levels so steps and heart data transfer. Make sure to set units and time zone to avoid discrepancies. Sync watch faces and do an initial data upload. This completes the bridge between devices and lets your watch behave as intended. Finish by testing key features, notifications, heart rate, and GPS if available. If something fails, first toggle Bluetooth and restart both devices. This clears transient radio conflicts. Make sure the Joyroom app is excluded from battery optimization so background syncing continues. If pairing still fails, unpair in system Bluetooth, delete the device and app, then re-add it. As a last resort, factory reset the watch, only after backing up or syncing crucial data, because that wipes local records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.